Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, Max and I are doing something very healthy, but also very difficult for a Monday morning. We are going for a morning run in the local park.
Good morning, Lily. Good morning, friends. Oh my goodness, it is only 6:30 a.m. Why are we awake? Usually, at this time, I am having a beautiful dream about chocolate cake and hot coffee. My bed is so soft, but this grass is very wet.
Come on, Max. Don't be lazy. We are adults now, and we need to take care of our health. Running is the best way to start the day. It gives you energy, it clears your mind, and it is good for your heart. Look at the sun. It is just rising over the trees. It is beautiful, and the air is so fresh.
Yes, the air is fresh, but my legs feel like they are made of lead. They are so heavy. And I have a small problem, Lily. I think I am wearing the wrong clothes. I have my old cotton t-shirt on, and now I am very sweaty and cold at the same time.
That is a common mistake, Max. When you exercise, you should wear athletic gear. You need wicking fabric that stays dry. And look at your shoes. Are those casual sneakers? You need proper running shoes with good cushions to protect your knees and ankles.
You are right. My knees hurt a little bit. I will go to the sports shop tomorrow, but for now, can we stop for a minute? My heart is beating very fast. Thump, 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 thump.
No, Max, don't stop suddenly. That is bad for your body. If you are tired, we can jog slowly or just walk fast. We call this a cool down or a warm up. We must keep moving. Let's forget about the tiredness. What is your fitness goal for this year?
My goal? Well, I want to lose 5 kilograms and I want to run a 5K race in the summer. But right now, 5 kilometers feels like 5,000 kilometers. How do people run marathons? That is 42 kilometers.
They start exactly like us, Max. They start with one small step. You need consistency. You don't need to run fast. You just need to run often. If we run 3 times a week, in 1 month you will feel like a professional athlete.
3 times a week? That sounds like a lot of discipline. Lily, look at that woman over there. She is running very fast, and she is smiling. She is not even sweating. How is that possible?
She has a good rhythm. Look at her breathing. She breathes in for 2 steps and out for 2 steps. It is a pattern. Also, look at her posture. Her back is straight. Her shoulders are relaxed, and she is looking forward, not at her feet.
Okay, I am trying. In, out. In, out. Hey, you are right. I feel a little bit better. My breathing is more stable now. But Lily, I am very thirsty. I forgot my water bottle on the kitchen table.
Don't worry, I have a large bottle in my small waste bag. Here, take a sip, but don't drink too much. If you drink a lot of water while running, your stomach will hurt. We call that a side stitch.
Thank you. You are like a professional coach, Lily. You have all the equipment. You even have that electronic watch on your wrist. What does it do?
This is a fitness tracker. It counts my steps, it measures my heart rate, and it tells me how many calories I burn. Look, we already burned 200 calories. That is almost one small croissant.
Only one croissant? I feel like I burned a whole pizza. Running is very hard work. But wait, I see the end of the park path. We are almost finished.
Yes, we ran for 20 minutes without stopping. I am very proud of you, Max. Now, we must do some stretching. Stretching is very important for your muscles so they don't feel sore tomorrow.
Ouch, ouch. My muscles are very tight. I think I need to do yoga too. Being an active adult is a lot of work.
It is work, but look at your face now. You are not grumpy anymore. You have a big smile and your skin looks healthy. Don't you feel more awake?
Actually, yes. I feel very sharp. My brain is ready for work now. I am thinking about my big project at the office, and I have some great ideas. The runner's high is real.
I told you. Now, let's go home, have a quick shower, and eat a healthy breakfast. Maybe some oatmeal with bananas and nuts?
That sounds perfect. And a big cup of coffee. But no sugar today because I want to reach my fitness goal.
Friends, let's review the fitness and running words from our morning adventure. Jog, to run at a slow, steady pace. Athletic gear, special clothes designed for exercise and sports. Heart rate, the speed at which your heart beats. Calories, units of energy we get from food and burn during exercise. Consistency, doing something regularly so you can see progress. Sore, when your muscles feel a little bit of pain after a workout. Dehydrated, when your body does not have enough water.
Friends, do you like to exercise in the morning or in the evening? Some people love the sunrise, but other people prefer to go to the gym after work.
What is your favorite way to stay active? Do you like running, swimming, cycling, or maybe just walking the dog?
Tell us in the comments. We love to hear from our community. It helps you practice your English, and it motivates us to keep running.
If you enjoyed our morning run, please give this video a like and share it with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We want to help you live a healthy life in English.
I am going to race you to the car now, Max. Ready, set, go.
Hey, wait for me. My legs are still tired.
See you in the next lesson, everyone.
Bye-bye. Stay healthy.